This tool helps you turn your sketches into realistic render in just a few seconds. Even turn your photos into videos, and can generate impressive photos in no time. So today we're gonna explore an AI tool I found a week ago, and it's just insane. Whether you want to turn your sketches into photos or turn photos into sketches, or maybe erase and replace something from your renders, this tool enters the chat. There are tons of more options to explore, but we're gonna focus on the few ones for now. The tool is called Prome AI. It's an online tool and you don't need to download on the PC. Click the link in the description to get some better perks and use our coupon code for extra 20 coins right away to get started. So simply head to the website and sign up at first. You will see a few options here like sketch rendering, AI image generator, HD upscaler, erase and replace, outpainting, image to video, and more. First, I'm heading to the sketch rendering to see how it performs. You can upload your sketches here to convert them into a realistic render. For now, as I'm not a sketch artist, I'm taking this sketch photo from the internet to check the results. This one seems fine to me. Let's download this one. Simply now click here on the plus button and upload your sketch. You can select any style from here according to your need, but I'm going with the realistic one for now. You can also choose cinematic, natural, fantasy, sci-fi, or other according to your taste and needs. There are 6 mode buttons to experiment: outline, depth, precise concept, and concept or others, but I'm keeping it default to see how it performs. Now click on the generate button, and it will take a few seconds to generate. Boom! Your realistic sketch is ready, and these are so impressive. You can choose any of these 3 you think is the best. I'm going with the middle one. You can preview this using a side-by-side view or this swipe to see before and after results. It is literally insane and looks so cool. Now, let's try another image sketch of a kitchen to see how it performs. Let's go to Google and choose the best suitable image you want to turn into a realistic render. I'm choosing this image here and uploading it again here on Prome AI. Let's generate with the same settings, but this time, let's choose cinematic style for this render. And let's see. Click the generate button here, and boom. This feature works very well with many other things like a realistic person sketch or a drone. It's not just for home designs or interior designs. It's very flexible to experiment on others as well. Prome AI is not just a normal AI tool. It has some really killer features which I was shocked to see at first. For example, this photo-to-video tool is just mind-blowing. It generates some really amazing AI-generated videos from your provided photo with just a few clicks. Simply upload the photo you want to turn into a video. I'm choosing this aerial view of a home, and without even giving instructions, I'm going to generate. While you have the option to tell what you actually want this to look like and how it should move. Even you can tell the speed, or if you want some elements to go through like birds or blah blah. I'm leaving it blank to see what AI can provide me without giving instructions. Click on the generate button here and wait for a few seconds and boom! Let's see our first AI video. It actually looks so great and I can't even imagine. It's so realistic. Now let's try something else once again to see, are the results always like this or no? Let's choose a house with scenery and let's see what AI can do. Clicking on the generate and wow, let me show it to you. Well, this feature is my favorite. Trust me. Now head to the image generator option to generate some impressive designs in no time. Simply select the style you want your photo to be in. Select the scene. I'm selecting the furniture design and then selecting desk to see how it can generate some great furniture for my bedroom. You can select the perspective as well down there, but I'm leaving this blank. Now write the prompt according to what you want, and boom! Now it provides me with the best results, and I can even send this to my designer and ask her to design something like this for me. See? Easy peasy. It'll take a very few coins to generate each photo as we get only 10 coins for free in the first place. I am using the 7-day free trial, so I got 2,000 free coins. So you can use my coupon code and get 20 free coins right away. Lastly, the tool I'm going to explore is pretty interesting. It's called Outpainting. It helps you expand your photos and even command them to generate something else you want. For example, Here I'm going to upload a photo of a castle and ask to add some lakes and scenery so it could look more professional. Clicking the Generate button and boom! This expansion was really massive and creative. There are tons of more options yet to explore, so head to the Prome AI right now, using our link in the description, and use our coupon code to get 20 extra points as a gift from us. Like and subscribe for more knowledgeable content. AI Mastery is always on the roll to help people make money in the most easy and realistic way. Thanks for watching.